guys, I have a new video for you guys on insert name here. This is a two-part series. The first one I did these beautiful ponytails and did my very first time trying them on. So I will put that around here or down below. Definitely go check that out. They also did give me a coupon code because they did send me these for review purpose, which I am so thankful for because they are amazing quality. So definitely check out the coupon code down below. It's for your benefit only. It's only you know, I get no kind of compensation or anything like that from it. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the wig. So likewise, like the ponytails, it came in this brown envelope right here, and I am just gonna pull out everything that comes in this bag. It does come with her own little bag to store her in, and then this is what Miss Bunny looks like. Ooh, I'm so excited. And then I see in here there's a little something extra, which is a wig cap. And I know that if you need more of these, you could definitely go to Amazon and definitely try some out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Casey out of my hair and come back with my hair in the wig cap. Okay, so I am back. If it looks a little darker, my Diva ring light just died on me. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm just gonna give it a little break. I did change the light bulb and it still doesn't want to turn on. So I actually like put down the wig cap and glued it down with the Got2b glue and just literally put my hair inside the little wig cap. I feel like if you use the Got2b glue, this just holds it down more securely and steady. I did leave my little sideburns out so it looked a little bit more realistic, and you could actually like take out some baby hairs here in the front. To be honest, I don't have that many baby hairs compared to a lot of people, so I just feel like if I take out something, it's literally like a huge chunk of hair. I did go ahead and take Bunny out of the bag, and this is what she looks like. On here in the inside, she has a few little clips. She has two little clips here that you could actually just like slip into your hair. So, and she has a part you can actually put concealer, which I'm going to try to put a little bit of foundation into the part to make it look a little bit more realistic. So we're gonna go ahead and put this, and I glued this down with the Got2b spray. I do have the gel and the spray just because I really want to start getting into wearing wigs. Let me know if you guys are interested in you know, like Amazon wig try on haul or things like that. I really want to try on different extensions and hair and things like that. I've kind of I don't know, gotten a little bored with makeup, and I think that this is like another way of really spicing up your look and having fun at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on, and we're just gonna do this together. And I do have like clips here, so hopefully I can put these clips underneath here to just secure her into place and have her fit nice. And oh, that went on really nicely. Okay, so this is just me popping her on, like not playing with the hair placement or, you know, like really putting any concealer or putting her into place or anything. This is what she looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like brush her off a little bit, and I do recommend getting one of these like wig brushes. I just feel like it's super helpful and easy to maintain your wigs and help with like knotting. Okay, so I have been pressing it backwards just to kind of put in my hairline a little bit to peek through, just so that way it looks a little bit more realistic. Hello there, my name is Bunny. Okay, so I finally got it on. It took me a hot minute. I had to go off of camera, had to go to my bathroom, like really be standing and like actually play with it a little bit and get it to go on properly. I did end up opening the straps on the inside of the wig to make it fit better. And then also I centered the part here, and I feel like the clips here on the sides are where it fits the snuggest. And I just feel like here it looks a little bit more more natural. I left a little bit of my hairline out, and then I added a little bit of foundation here to the part line of the hair. I would definitely recommend brushing this not on your head because it just seems really hard to. It moves around the wig a lot when you're trying to brush it as you have it on. So I would definitely say brush it before putting it on, or even style it before putting it on. Overall, I have to say I like the wig. I like the wig. I like the wig. I love the color. It's a lot for me as far as like hair. I just feel like it's super long. If you guys can see here, it comes like halfway down my body. So it's like I'm 5'5" and it comes all the way almost to like my waistline. So that is a lot of hair. And as you can see there, the hair goes all the way around the head. I have most of it pushed forward. I would definitely maybe want to cut this a little bit, like probably cut like 5 or 6 inches off of it, just because it's so much. I can't wait to go ahead and play around with this and style it and do something cute. So definitely watch out for my Instagram because I will be playing around with this wig. I'm new to wigs, so any suggestions, any kind of thing that you can help me, or what channels to watch, what videos to watch, if you leave them down below, I would definitely go watch them and add them to my playlist. I'm doing like a wig playlist just because I really want to get into wearing fun wigs and just learning how to style them and use them. And yeah, I'm so grateful to insert name here for sending me Miss Bunny. Let me know what you guys think of her. What do you guys think of the wigs as far as like me trying out wigs? I'd love to hear your input down below. I absolutely love their ponytails. If you haven't checked out my video on the ponytails, definitely do. And yeah, follow me on my social media, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.